Why choose nature? Why carve spaces in green? Why design homes around air, light, and stillness? Why step back when the world only rushes forward? Because choosing nature is choosing what matters. Peace over pressure, essentials over excess, time over traffic. To live well isn't to live far. It's to live right. Right where your family grows. Right where your lungs can breathe. Right where your soul finds quiet. We build not to impress, but to invite. To invite in sunlight. To invite in stillness. To invite in life. We make room for real community. Room for trees to stretch and roots to hold. Room for Sundays without cold screens. For gardens, balconies, conversations. Room for regeneration. For green energy and green ideas. Room for design that respects what came before and sustains what comes after. Room for wonder. Room for rest. Room to feel alive again. In a world that builds for more, we build for meaning. We are SMDC Nature, and we make room for what truly matters. Why choose nature? Because SMDC Nature is where life grows with you.